I challenge you to know all of the artists in the list that I'm going to show you today. So keep watching, let's get into them. Some of them you're going to enjoy a lot. Some of them you're just going to be like, what the freak is this? Is a top 10 of artists that people don't know here on YouTube. They're less than 100k on YouTube subscribers, but they are a must-learn experience, okay? This is all a learning experience. Let's get into the list. Let's go. Number 1. MILICRAFT. With only 1,000 subscribers. This artist is amazing for making animals, creatures, humans, everything that you can think of. It's starting posting videos, it's posting even more. You can learn a lot from only a single video. If you just go and slow down the speed, you can learn so much. Look at this artwork. Champ, come on. Look at this dragon. This is the best dragon. Number 1 dragon. I wanna have this dragon as a pet. I want to. No, seriously, I want it. Look at the quality. Look at the quality. The main point of this artist is about making a nice gradient between colors, between shadows and light, between everything. You're not going to see some hard edge. I mean, you can see like right here in the cat mouth, but mainly it's going to be all soft. Everything is soft and gentle, and that's amazing. A lot of people struggle doing that. So if you struggle doing soft edges, this artist is a must follow. Especially even more if you draw creatures. Now let's go into number 2, Bocheng. If you're a little bit more into game art, League of Legends, Blizzard, any of those gaming art style, this artist is for you. I'm really talking about the ones that people don't know. I really did a search. This artist is amazing, incredible, splash art level. And when I say splash art level, it's splash art level. Look at that. Look closely. No, and don't go far away. Look closely. Let me take a closer look. Look at that. Look at those armors. Look at that armor. Look at the faces. Look at the gradient. Look at the fog. Look at everything. It just looks amazing. It's a must follow. Such a great artwork. All of the details, everything. It looks just so good. If you're struggling with full compositions, getting the ambient color, really touching everything, getting to know even better, hey, is this thing in the foreground, middle ground? Where is calling more attention? Where is not calling more attention? Follow this artist, because splash artists, they do know how to make the balance between don't focus here or focus there, okay? Bocheng. And all of them are going to have their name and link in description. Let's go into number 3, Atey Ghailan. I believe that's how I pronounce that. If you like ambient color, but you're like, yep, the splash art's good, but I'm looking more like ambient light and color, even more far away. I really like just drawing huge landscapes and places. That this artist is for you. This artist is amazing. He also worked at League of Legends. Okay, we are getting a lot of League of Legends, maybe it happens, okay? So what this artist have that is so good, like so good. It doesn't use line. That's the first one. It's amazing. He doesn't use line, and all of his scenes, all of his projects looks natural. You can see here what is happening. Like, hey, I wanna chill here, just like this girl. I wanna be there. I wanna just touch this lake and just run. This artist is amazing at texture, at getting the right levels, at getting the right colors, at getting everything right, at getting anything right. And this art doesn't really focus on render, so if rendering is not really your main thing, go for this one. And you want to focus more on the overall look, on the ambient color and everything, this is amazing. But remember, you can have all of them. Oh my, it looks so good. Like the shirt, you can see here the shirt have a little bit of light, a little bit of shadow, but it's not like, oh, I gotta do so many levels of light and shadow and everything. No, you can have such an amazing, beautiful painting like how it is right now, just by really focusing on fundamentals of art. Looking for it? Going for this guy. Heck yeah. Number 4. Only 1k of subscribers on YouTube. I love this artist. I just love this artist. You there, you're watching me. Are you a furry artist? This is a must follow, okay? If you're looking for a furry artist that it's excellent on anatomy, excellent on showing light and shadows, excellent at anything that you really want to be real, anything, that's it. These artists have been in the furry industry for for such a long time. Look at this. You want to learn anatomy? This is the Furry Artist to go. You want to learn how to do this soft passage of here, everything being with fog, and everything here having certain amount of detail and certain amount of gray levels. Go with her. I wanted to show even more, but I think maybe I get blocked. The number one thing that surprises me on her artwork is that you can really see, you can feel the brush strokes. Look here at the trees, and not only the trees, look at that fur. It's like all of the lines that she have been doing, it's following a certain direction, all of them. Everything is following a certain direction. Everything is in harmony together. And I love that in her artworks so much. Even the sand, even the... Oh my, look at that. You can see like there are waves and everything's flowing so smooth together. She makes everything smooth with gradient. Remember to add gradient to artwork. What? You're not taking enough time to make the gradient. You do take the time, okay, champ? I trust you. You trust me. Let's go. This one, Apterus. Number 5. Do you like to draw dead stuff or, I don't know, creepy stuff? Do you like to draw? Do you like drawing zombies? Do you like drawing like the veins and like bones and all that stuff? I got an artist for you right now, right here. If you don't like that stuff, do you enjoy a lot just crazy random colors in your artwork, like the character's green but you're adding purple? You know that mindset. I have that mindset. I just love adding colors on places that they should not be on the main art stuff, but you add them and look gorgeous. This artist is for you. Apterus, I love his illustrations. I love it so much. And he's crazy. He likes to do that on like one layer. I don't know if he still do that, but he used to do on such a few layers, like everything in one, let's go, and he just keep making the canvas bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and you go like, oh my, the canvas never stopped growing, and bigger and bigger and bigger. And you're like, oh my, this is becoming a full drawing. He draws so good with crazy colors. He's so good with crazy colors. You like crazy colors? Go for it. Go for it. What am I about? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the level of realism he gets. It's just amazing. And you can also feel the flow, and you can also feel the tails. You can also feel the veins and the muscles and everything going on in the body. I really enjoy this artist, like a lot. Yeah, he does everything in one layer. Oh my, he still do it. Oh, it was 3 layers, guys. Calm down, guys. It was like 2 layers. But look at the details. It looks so good. Look at the bone. Look, it just looks so good. You're looking at creep stuff. That's it. That's your vibe. Go for it. Now let's go into number 6. Oh, you're looking at the background, but like not background a little bit far away. You're looking at the background extreme far away. This is number 6. JJcanvas. I look for background. This is the guy to go, okay? Far away and looking gorgeous. Buildings, anything that you're having looking for. Yep. Ambient light of magic, ambient light of snow, ambient light with magical plants growing out of I don't know where. This painting is what got me following him. I love this painting so freaking much, you don't understand. I remember when he was doing those boats and I was like, oh my, those boats are, he's doing even the boats, but it's already a lot of details. Look at those details. That's right. You're looking at drawing things from far away and those crazy details. Go for this artist. You're gonna find the help right there for you. Am I doing free marketing for all of them? Yes, I am doing free marketing to all of them because they deserve more attention on YouTube. They are mwah, and you can learn for free with them. Mwah, just by their speed pen. Mwah, and they are made. Mwah. Let's go into number 7. Do you like anime? If you like anime, well, a little bit more rendered, this is the channel for you. Well, guys, I don't know if this one is from me. The JettyJet Show, it's the best show for anime lovers, okay? I'm talking about the real stuff here. I'm talking about, oh, look at the colors. This person knows what it's doing, okay? It knows, just knows, okay? Look at the details. It's not even finished. Look at how this sketch looks gorgeous. Oh, but Caps, I want to see a full. Do you see the full? Do you see why to follow? Do you need me to zoom in any reason in this piece for you to follow? I think this piece is a win-win situation for you to follow and gain a lot of content on how to draw this type of amazing artwork. Look at the reflection in the boots. Look at the perspective texture, look at the hair, look at the skin, look at everything. It's amazing artwork. Again, you're just looking for anime, really anime, but you also like some details. This is the best one for you. This is a win situation. Look at this. You can have some details and still anime. And if you don't like doing a lot of rendering, we still got you. We still got you. Less rendering. Less rendering. That's right, less rendering. What? You can see the process? You can see all the process of it. And it's absolute and amazing situation. Go for it for looking for anime. Seriously, these artworks here, right here, they all look incredible. This is an amazing artist. Let's go into another one. Nips. You can see this logo look like a smile. You are looking more, oh my, more into character design. Do you like character design? Really focus on characters, not so much on background. They're pretty much like, I like to draw expressions, I like to draw people smiling, people sad, people angry, people's magazine. That's the one for you. You can see amazing facial expressions, not only facial expressions, but the overall pose of the bust of the portrait. This art is excellent at doing that. You can see amazing you can see some facial expressions. That's what I mean. This art is excellent at facial expressions. And also base color, and also, no, seriously, the faces are really good. If you have trouble at really showing what your character is feeling, or not only your character feels, or the design of the character, you know, this can help you a lot. Recommend it. Number 9, Yuumei. I follow her since I was 14, 13, 12, and I love her artwork for more than one decade. If you're looking to more creative, imaginative artwork, this is the one to go, especially on scenes, background and everything, because she creates some crazy stuff and I go like, girl, you created that all off from your head, girl, that's amazing. And she's crazy textures, everything looks so good. Look at that, half word cray and half word all free and beautiful. Look at that. And you can see many backgrounds that are all in the same type, you know, all imaginative, all creative. Like here she's flying above in a turtle. She's flying riding a turtle. A turtle, guys. You can find here even more the artworks of her, and it looks amazing. You can see right here the wolf, and not only the wolf, in the middle of her house, and it looks like, oh my, how could this happen? You can see so much random things that you think, oh my, that's so creative. If you're needing creativity, that's the one to go. And you like this type of artwork, of course. And last one, something different, something I could not think of. So, have you ever thought about a My Little Pony artist? You were not expecting for that, were you? Ha! It only got 2K subs and it makes incredible 3D effects. And it's only painting and it looks like 3D. Look at the dragon. Oh my, look at the face of the dragon. I could swear that is 3D. Or you're like, no, this pony art's not so good yet. I don't think so. Look at those colors. Look at those colors. I don't know if some people may not be able to comprehend what I'm saying here, but when you get an artist that's good on colors, it can be any of those that I show in this list, but you can just use the color palette as your reference. That's why it's so good to have a great reference. He can be a great color reference and levels too. Seriously, this guy, oh my, you have a passion for ponies. I don't know how long it took to draw something like this. It looks like those old paintings that you would find and you go like, yeah, this guy took 3 years to complete that using oil painting and stuff. Bro, it looks so good. This is another one that if you're looking for much more understanding shapes, these artists here really helped me with shapes. Gab say the name AssasinMonkey. So it really look gorgeous. I got shocked the first time that I saw this guy. Bro, he draw only ponies, that's it. But he's really good at what he does, okay? So, just a bonus for only you that's watching right now. The last artist that's less than 100k subs, that's like an amazing artist to follow. I think you guys know this one, I don't know. If you know this one, comment down below like, hey, I know this one. Or just tell me down below, I don't know this one. Who is this one, Gabs? Yeah, I wanna know who is this one too, but did you know that these artists right here have a thing right in here. It said subscribe. So yeah, you could just subscribe to this channel. I'm just saying that you could be subscribing right now. You know, you could be subscribing. You could win so much stuff. You could win a hug. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you had a great time watching this top tier list with amazing YouTube artists. Less than 100k subscribers. So would you like me to do an even harder tired list? Only 10k subs or less? I can do that. Let's go. Tell me challenge that you would like to see me doing. A real challenge. Not crazy and that could hurt my health. A real challenge. For the mind, okay? For the mind, not for the body. And you can also check out our Patreon and Gumroad for even more art content, or if you just really want to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm GabyT, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye!